Hi, I'm Phil Clark from Kingsland Social, and this is Beef Cheeks Three Ways. Today we're going to be cooking beef cheeks. I find them a great addition to our menu. We use them in 3 different dishes here at Kingsland Social. We use them on our beef cheek burger, we use it for the nachos, and we also use it for our beef on toast for breakfast. These are great flavours, we get good depth from the meat, and it's a lovely addition and a change from a minced meat product. So instead of using a minced meat product, which most restaurants would use, we use the whole beef cheek. So I find it a lot more leaner. I can control the meat and fat ratio, and we also get a more consistent product. 4 hours we've braised this at 140 degrees. And our master stock we have here, they come out beautifully. We use a bit of Worcester, ketchup. To our fire. At Kingsland Social here, we have a great vibe here. Great families come in here, business people, older people, younger people, and lots of kids come enjoy this space. We try to create a very family environment with local community all getting behind it and supporting us. So we got comforting food, it's beautiful, tasty, and something that people can relate to. It's absolutely different, but it is super tasty. Replaces your minced meat and gives you a nice firm patty instead, nice and lean with the natural fat in there. If you like what you've seen here at Kingsland Social, you can jump over to recipes.co.nz, check out our recipes on the beef cheek burger and the other following dishes. Otherwise, you can come and see me at Kingsland Social.